Yes, students, we are going to start second question, that is simplify for 8th class, chapter 2nd. First part is a raised to power 6 into a raised to power 4 into a raised to power minus 5 and a raised to power 0. A. Bases are same and in between there is multiplication. When bases are same and multiply is there, then write the base once and add all the powers. Plus minus 0, no need to write. 6 4 10, 10 minus 5, a raised to power only 5. Now come to next. Since bases are same, so what to do? Bases are same, in between divide is there. When bases are same, division is there, then powers will be subtracted. It's very easy. Denominators are same, write the denominator once and subtract the numerators. Minus minus plus 2 1 3, sign of greater is 2, 2 is having negative. 3 and 3 cut, minus 1. A raised to power minus 1. Power is in negative. For its positive sign, what we can do? We can do its reciprocal. So power will be in positive. A raised to power 1 means you have to write a only 1 times. No base is same. So firstly we will solve the bracket. Power is in negative, same what I did in this question, a raised to power minus 1. It will become 1 upon a. B raised to power minus 1. Do reciprocal. 1 upon b raised to power 1 means you have to write 1 once. 1 upon b. Similarly I will do it 1 upon ab. 1 upon a minus b raised to power minus 1 means 1 upon b. Similarly here a 1 upon a raised to power 2, 1 upon b raised to power 2. I did its reciprocal. Reciprocal means nothing is there, denominator is 1. I did reciprocal. Now how we can plus two fractions making their denominator same, denominator is non-same? We will take LCM. LCM will be AB. B A AB. B A LCM is AB. What will be the LCM here? Here LCM will be A square B square. You can take the LCM and you can see it. Or you can do cross multiply also if you don't know how to take LCM. This should be multiplied by this and downside denominator should be multiplied. B1 the B, A1 the A, AB into AB. Now we cannot divide the fractions. Fractions cannot be divided. Our step is change divide into multiply. When you are writing multiply, same time do reciprocal of this term which is having divide. Plus same division, you cannot do change divide into multiply and at same time do the reciprocal of this term which is having division. Now AB and AB cut. B upon A over 1. No need to write over 1. If you want you can write. Plus here see carefully, B minus A upon AB into A square B square. What is the meaning of A square B square? It means A is also written 2 times, B is also written 2 times. You can write it AB into, or you can write it like this. A is written 2 times and also B is written how many times? 2 times. B square minus A square. There is a formula for A square minus B square. Firstly B minus A, then B plus A. A and A cut. B and B cut. You left with 1A and 1B. That will again become AB. Here B minus A and B minus A cut upon what is left B plus A, and here this side B plus A upon 1. Again take the LCM. LCM will be B plus A. You can do like this. B plus A square 2 times square AB into AB and downside B plus A. This is the formula B plus A. You can also write it A plus B. It is same as, if plus is there, you can write A plus B or B plus A, same thing is there. A plus B square, it is the formula A square plus B square plus 2AB, and this AB will remain as it is. Now you have to add the like terms, which is having same powers, same terms. AB, AB, 2AB plus 1AB. How many ABs will be there? 3 ABs. So answer will be A square plus B square plus 3AB, and downside what it is? A plus B.